What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, man? It's back. I'm back. It's your boy Simo Pips with another video, man. I apologize for being away for so long, man. I'm not even gonna lie. I've been doing so much. You know. I've been investing into different things, man, but I do apologize. I've been gone for 6 long months. Did y'all miss me? Y'all let me know. Did y'all miss me, man? Because I'm back with another video. I'm back and I'm ready to stay, man. So by that title, man, y'all can already see what I'm about to go ahead and do. I'm coming back with the flame. Coming back to show my skills. So y'all see what I'm about to do. I'm about to be running $100 to 1,000. Yes, I'm going to be running $100 to 1,000. But we're not going to take too much time, y'all. We're going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that post notification bell. And make sure you go ahead and like this video, man, so everybody can see this video. Because I want this challenge to be cool. And I'm actually going to finish it this time. I'm going to do $100 to 1,000. If I blow the account, oh well. I'm going to show y'all that as well. I'm doing it very, very aggressive. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into this video. Come on now. This shit too easy. One day. This shit is too easy. Account over 250% in one day. 24 hours. Come on, it's too fucking easy. All right, what's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be going over a breakdown for BTC USD. Today is April 16th. It is Saturday, so I cannot trade any currency pair. But this is gonna be the end of the first episode. You know, on the account growth with the $100 to $1,000 challenge. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be going over BTC USD, and I'm gonna show y'all my results so far right now on this trade. But I just want to go over how I got this breakdown and what I looked at. All right, so I'm on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, Bitcoin has been very, very bearish. It's in a downtrend. As you can see, the overall high got a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And now we're looking to create that new lower low. So I'm still bullish on BTC to around this area down here. This is how far I'm looking to go bearish. So this is how far I want BTC to go. So that's about 2,000 more pips. Not very, very far, but I'm trying to catch a little bit out of it. So I'm coming to the downside, to the 1-hour time frame. And the first thing I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna identify the POI for BTC USD on the 1-hour time frame. So what I'm gonna do is, I see that we have this bearish move to the downside right here. The thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the candle right before this down move. I'm going to go to the candle right before this bearish down move right here, okay? So that's how we're going to find our POI. So, and what POI is, just point of interest. So I'm going to come from this candle right here, and I'm going to draw a zone on this candle, symboling our POI for the 1-hour time frame. All right, so cool. So basically what this is going to be our point of interest. And what I like to do is I like to find 62 to 82% of the fib level. Okay, so around that area, okay, that is around 82 to 75. So that's a great POI within the fib level. So now we're gonna do next, I'm gonna identify where we have liquidity at. Okay, so obviously you see right here we got a breaker structure. We got a breaker structure in this level. Okay, so what we can expect BTC to do is once we break this level, we have to go back and fill in this imbalance. Okay, so this was a down push with a lot of momentum. So what the market isn't gonna like is fast moving candle. The market doesn't like fast moving candles. So we have to go back and fill this in, which is what we got here. Okay, so what I'm identifying at this level is a liquidity grab. Okay, so we're going to be looking where the money is. Okay, so this is where the money is going to be. Okay, so my thought process through this trade was, okay, I need to get in at the highest point possible. Okay, so my entry was at 42.50. My entry was at 42.50. I'm sorry, not 42.50, 46.40. I'm sorry, 46.40. Okay, so around this level, my stop loss is 41. My stop loss is 41. Okay, so this is a fair stop loss, and my take profit is 39,900. 39,900 is my take profit. Okay, so we have about a 2-to-1 ratio right here with Bitcoin. So what I'm identifying overall, okay, after I got this entry right here, the way I got this take profit was, okay, I understand that we could possibly have a head and shoulders at this level, but what we got to understand is when we got to this level down here, Bitcoin, a lot of people would have thought, okay, Bitcoin rise back to this area of resistance and go shoot down. But okay, so what Bitcoin did was it actually continued to shoot up. And what this big wick right here is, okay, this is people getting stopped out, and this is me getting into the trade. So my objective is to try to get in the trade when other people are getting stopped out. Okay, so that's how I'm able to get this clean entry right here. And okay, we may have went in a lot of profit. We went in about probably 200 or 300 pips profit, and then we retrace 200, 300 pips profit. Then we retrace, but we went right back to where my entry was. So my stop loss was not break even at this level. I obviously knew, okay, the market isn't gonna just wick down and go shoot down. It's gonna come back and fill in that wick. Okay, so just be patient. You know, in the 1 hour time frame, I've been holding this trade for over 24 hours. I think it's been about 28 hours at this point, but I still like BTC to fall down to this level, but I'm not gonna hold it that long just for the sake of my account. Like, Bitcoin likes to leave wicks, so it could easily come down, hit this area of support down here, and come out and back up. So I don't want to put myself through all of that by trying to get a take profit all the way down here. So I'm just going to take profit up in this area once it does hit it. But I'm liking the way Bitcoin is moving right now, and I'm going to show y'all my results on it so far, and you know how much money I've been able to make. But like I said, this challenge is going to end at this point right here. But this is how I got my Bitcoin trade, and I even show y'all on another Bitcoin that I've already marked this up. I got all my point of interest levels marked up already, but I definitely like Bitcoin going to the downside, you know, for a little bit longer, not to break this low, because it can easily come down and, you know, tap this level and then go back up. So this is my overall take profit. I do have 2 entries on it, so we're just gonna see what it does. But I like it to the downside. You know, we're already about 500 pips in profit, so you know we're good. We can easily close right now, but we're gonna take a little bit more out of it just to speed this challenge up, because I honestly thought that I was gonna be a lot farther than $300. So it's been 5 days, and I'm up around 200% of the account. I'm up 200%, so I flipped it from 100 to 300 so far, and it's been 5 days. So with this Bitcoin right here, if it hits my target, we'll be at the account around like 450, and that's great. That's 350% in a week. That's not too bad, which means we'll probably finish this challenge by the end of next week. So we're just gonna see how it goes. But like I said, this is my breakdown for Bitcoin. Very, very simple. Just a point of entrance strategy. And, you know, we're getting in, you know, when the point of entrance is being hit, which is the 62 to 82%. And we got a clean entry at that level. So I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something. I see y'all when we get to the results of this trade. All right, y'all. So this is how Bitcoin ended up playing out. As you can see, the trade played out very, very perfect. This is a great setup. This was a 4-to-1. It was a 1-to-4 risk to reward. About 1,300 pips for a 300 pip stop loss. This was a perfect trade. Not gonna lie, but I did not hold this trade the whole entire time. I took actually about not 300, but $30 on this trade. Just for the sake of my account, I couldn't hold it this long. Because it kept on going. Break even once, twice, then came up for a third time, almost for a fourth time, went break even. So I did get about $30 on this trade, leaving the account balance at 351. So this pretty much gonna be the end of this first episode. We're gonna continue with the the challenge